Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. This is Mohammad Yusuf and you're watching the latest updates that made the headlines today. Israel has asked all Palestinians to vacate northern Gaza within 24 hours. This region is home to around 1.1 million people. The Israeli military stated that the order was issued due to the Hamas operatives hiding in the tunnels beneath Gaza City. Israel said that significant military operations will take place in Gaza City in the coming days and asked residents to flee south and return only when the Israeli forces allowed them to. UN officials have stated that it is impossible to evacuate everyone at such short notice due to the sheer number of people involved. Concerning the evacuation announcement, the UN has issued a warning about devastating humanitarian consequences. Meanwhile, the Hamas Authority has asked residents to remain in their homes and ignore the directive. Human Rights Watch has claimed that Israeli forces used white phosphorus in military operations in Lebanon and Gaza on 10 and 11 October 2023 respectively. The videos and witness accounts show multiple airbursts of artillery-fired white phosphorus. Israel's military said it was currently not aware of the use of weapons containing white phosphorus in Gaza. Israel's alleged use of white phosphorus in Lebanon and Gaza has caused concern because it can burn people and set things on fire. Human Rights Watch states that the use of white phosphorus in densely populated areas violates international humanitarian law. They previously reported Israel's extensive use of white phosphorus in the 2008-2009 military campaign in Gaza. The Delhi High Court has rejected the plea of NewsClick founder Prabir Purkayastha and human resource head Amit Chakraborty, who were arrested under the UAPA for allegedly spreading pro-China propaganda. The court found no merit in their petitions and upheld the trial court's order for 7 days of police custody. According to the recently released Global Hunger Index report by two European agencies, India has slipped 4 positions to rank 111 out of 125 countries. The report takes into account factors such as undernourishment, child stunting, child mortality and child wasting. With a score of 28.7 out of 100, India falls into the category of serious hunger levels. It is crucial to address food insecurity and work towards improving the situation for a better future. The recent IT raids have sparked controversy as the discovery of money in Ambikapati's flat has led to speculations. During the raids, the income tax officials discovered an astonishing 42 crore in 23 boxes at Ambikapati's flat. There are speculations that this money might be involved in money laundering. The opposition parties are alleging that the Congress government collected this money for the upcoming elections. However, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah firmly denies these allegations, calling them false and baseless. DCM DK Shivakumar, speaking in Bengaluru, assured that the government will work towards providing justice to the contractors. The president of the State Contractors Association, Kempanna, criticized the Siddaramaiah government, highlighting the illogical withholding of contractor bills. Kempanna emphasized that contractors have been working continuously and requested the government to release pending bills before the upcoming Dussehra festival. The association expressed concern over the delayed payments for the BBMP works over the past 3 years. They urged the government to take action without unjustly victimizing the contractors. According to the data released by the Ministry of Commerce, India's exports decreased by 2.6% to $34.47 billion in September 2023 as compared to $35.39 billion in September 2022. And its imports also decreased by 15% to $53.84 billion compared to $63.37 billion recorded in September 2022. As a result, its trade deficit stood at $19.37 billion in September. The Indian team has withdrawn from the World Cadet Chess Championship, which is scheduled to take place on October 14th to 23 in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, due to the war in Gaza. According to AICF sources, about 80 people, players, coaches and those accompanying the players were scheduled to travel to Egypt for the competition. The championship's host city, Sharm el-Sheikh, is less than 400 km from Israel's border, and the Middle East's commercial airlines could be significantly impacted by the conflict at any time. Javelin throw world champion Neeraj Chopra has been nominated for the prestigious 2023 World Athlete of the Year award. He is one of the 11 nominees, which includes shot putter Rand Krauser from the USA, Sweden's pole vaulters Mondo Duplantis, marathoner Kelvin Kipton of Kenya and others. The winner will be announced on December 11th. Union Minister Anurag Thakur announced that renowned Hollywood star Michael Douglas will receive the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award at the International Film Festival of India in Goa. On October 13, National Cinema Day, the minister made the announcement on the social media platform X. The film gala will take place from November 20 to November 28. These were the major news stories for the day. For more such latest updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.